Welcome to my channel Sansa's Artistry. So in this video we are going to see how to make a peacock by using simple steps and easily available material. So first, on white paper we are going to make a sketch of a peacock. We are going to use it as a stencil. In this way we have prepared the different parts of a peacock. You can see over here. For a body we are going to attach 6 thermocol sheets like this, one above the other. After the 3 sheets we have used the wire as a reinforcement to attach the body and the neck of a peacock. You can see it has been attached in between. That means after 3 sheets and above 3 sheets we are going to place. Total 6 sheets are there which are used to make a body of a peacock. Then here we are giving the shape. Total 4 sheets are taken to make a neck of a peacock and attach one above the other. After that, this neck has been attached to the body of a peacock. Here you can see the crumbles of a foam sheet. These foam sheet particles are pasted on a neck and a body of a peacock in this way with the help of a Fevicol. Then again here the feathers are prepared with the help of the same foam sheet. The shape has been given like this here. And in this way these feathers are attached. See how beautiful it looks. To make a tail of a peacock, again the foam sheet is used and has given a shape in this way. So here our beautiful peacock is ready.